In this video, we are going to see how we can upload the YouTube video directly from our mobile. So first of all, just make sure that we are in the right profile just by clicking on the profile icon. And once we make sure, just click on this plus icon to directly upload a video. Let me just click here. Then what we can do is just choose the video option from here right at the bottom, because we are going to upload a full video, and just choose the relevant video you want to upload. I'll just choose this one, hit next. And here we can add any text, any kind of filters or voiceovers or stickers if we want. Click next. Now we are in our main area. As you notice that it is automatically loading this one as short because it is less than 1 minute, and also it is in the vertical format. So let's choose a title. If you're loading an entertainment content, you can mention anything as a title. But if you are creating some educational content, just make sure that you use the searchable keywords in your titles, because that's very effective. After that, we can scroll down to see whether it's public or private. I recommend to keep it unlisted until you make all the settings. So we can shift to unlisted. You can turn on the location, and we can allow this video for remixing and all. So that's how we can upload the shorts. We can turn the comments on or off on this, and let's upload the short right from the bottom. It's uploading, and this is how you can upload a short. Now, if we want to upload a long video like this one, let's upload this. Click next. And here we can see different kind of details. Let's say this is a long format video and it's the educational content. So we can define it with how to create a new company in QuickBooks, something like that. We can add the video description, in which I recommend you to define something about the video and also add some links to your social channel or to your full course or playlist, whatever you want to do. Let me just put a sample description. So here I have taken the support of ChatGPT, and it has written some amazing content for my QB's Wizard channel. And what you will learn, this is all timeline mentioned, and it has also recommended that you add like, subscribe, and all the things. You can add your related channel link or next playlist link as well, and you can put some hashtags too. Afterwards, let's go back. The description is added right here. Just check. You can add it to a playlist if you want to. Let's say the how-tos. You can turn on or turn off the comments. And after that, just click on the next from the top right. If this video is not made for kids, just remember to mention this as not made for kids. Otherwise, it will be shown in the YouTube Kids section in the YouTube Kids app. Age restriction: if your video is age restricted, you can mention that, but otherwise it is by default set to no. Until now, we have this video as unlisted, if you notice here, because we want to add the tags later on as well. So let's click next, click on upload video. And once it is done, just click on this 3 dots right at the corner, or otherwise just go to the YouTube Studio and then click on this 3 dots, because that's where you can make all the editings. Just make sure you have downloaded the YouTube Studio application on your phone. Just log in with the same ID. Click on this video, go to the content, click on this video from the 3 dots and click on edit. From here, we can get more options right at the bottom. Here we can add different tags. Hit enter to save the tag. So let's say this is my second tab. So tags are done. Category, we can choose any category, and more options can be edited from here. After that, just save it. And also, if we click on this edit, click on edit again, we can change the thumbnail if we have enabled all the features in YouTube. So we can choose any of the thumbnail from here. After that, just hit done and save. And finally, whenever we want to make it public, just set the visibility to public, and that's it. Save the video and your video will be public, but it's not uploaded yet. Once it is uploaded, you can just make it public. So that's how it is done. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.